Good morning, students. Today is part 5 revision, video 1, and this is going to be your last video for your revision, children. So, therefore, I have put this as grammar revision, okay? You know, the topics that you have for grammar is tenses and question tag. These are the two important topics that you have, right? Now, if you look at the pics here, all the students here are studying. I'm sure you are also studying. And of course, your mother is always there to be serving you when you are, busy with your studies. So please respect her for that. I know some of you may be a little stressed out with some subjects, but look at these children. They are studying. They are happy. Okay, be joyful when you're studying. Don't get too stressed out. And of course, what you don't know, you can always clear your doubts. Okay. So today, as I said, we will be doing English grammar. So coming to the topic tenses. Now what are tenses? Tenses are the form taken by a verb to show the time of an action or the state of an event. And there are three types of tenses: the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. So types of tenses here: present, past, future. And in these types, there are how many types, children? 4 types. Okay. So what are the 4 types there? You have present simple tense, present, okay, because this is present tense, so present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Clear? Then past tense, past simple tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Now, I told you continuous is even known as progressive. Okay? What is another word for continuous? Progressive tense. Then future tense also you have the 4 types: future simple tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Now let's see some example. We use the same example for all. Okay, so you will understand it better. As I already said, tenses are of 3 types: present tense, past tense, future tense. And how many types are there? Under each of them, there are 4 types. You can see the 4 types here. Okay. So coming to the present tense, simple present. Suppose we take this example. I play football. Now play is simple present, no children? So how will it be continuous? Continuous means ing aayega. Okay. So I am playing football. Am playing. ing aaya ki nahi? Okay. Then present perfect में क्या होता है? The action is over, children. Okay. So I have is present tense. Played, ed, means the action is over. But it is have played. So it is present perfect. Clear? Present perfect means you have 2 words there. Have played football. Then present perfect continuous means what? Action is over, but in which tense? In the present tense. And it is still going on. Okay. So we have I have been playing. Now one thing I want you to remember, children, whether if we do present perfect continuous or past perfect continuous or future perfect continuous, what is common? You look at the word, children, here. What is common? Being, being, being. No? And the verb is always ing, ing, ing. This is what I want you to understand. Okay. So when it comes to present perfect, when perfect continuous, always remember being is common. Is that clear? Okay. So when you look at this table, now children, you should know this table well by heart. Okay. So if you know this table, any sentence will get, any verb, you should be able to know what you have to write. Okay. This is one example. But if you get any example, you should be able to write it this way. So past, अभी simple past देखो, I played football. ed आया कि नहीं? तो यहाँ पर past tense हो गया. Past continuous में क्या होएगा? ing. Was playing. because this is am playing is present. ठीक है? तो past में was playing. Then past perfect में क्या हो गया? Had. देखो इधर present perfect में have played. Here past perfect had played. Had is past, children. Remember that. Had played football. Then past perfect continuous. I had been playing football because it is perfect continuous. So being आएगा, had been. Being is the important thing which is common. Okay. Now future tense में देखो, simple future में I will play football. Will and shall will come in future tense. Okay. Then future continuous, I will be playing football. Now here you're putting be, okay, in the continuous. Future continuous, okay. Future perfect, action is over. I would have played. Now here you have three words coming. I would have played. Remember, in future tense, it is three words coming, like will be playing. Now, would have played. So three words are there. Then future perfect continuous, that will be I would have been playing football. So this, if you know this chart well, no children, you will be able to solve any sentence, whether it is present, past or future tense. So you will have these questions as MCQ questions. We already told you the test is 20 marks, MCQ questions. Okay. Then moving on. This is just a review of this, what we have done. Tenses of three kinds, present, past, future. And present is at the time of speaking, past is already taken place, and future expected to take place, okay, in the future. And you say each of these tense have four types, okay? The present, simple present tense, simple present continuous tense, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So likewise, in past tense, it's the same. Simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. And future may simple future, future continuous, then you have future perfect tense and future perfect continuous. Alright, so now let's go to the other topics, children. Question time. This is also very easy, children. Please you go through the rules so that I have given you. All the rules are very simple. Once you know the rule, you can solve any question tag. So let's see now here. What is question tag is given there. We use question tag at the end of the statement. कहाँ पर डालते हैं? At the end. Okay, end of the statement to ask for confirmation. Whether yes or no, whatever. Okay, confirmation that is. Now structure कैसा है? Means sentence में कैसे लिखते हो आप? A positive statement plus a negative question tag. अगर statement positive है तो question tag negative हमेशा रहता है. ये याद रखो. You are a technician. It is positive or negative sentence? Positive. And when you write question tag, no children, punctuation is very important. No? Now here, of course, this is MCQ question already just typed and given to you, but you must use the correct alternative. Okay, correct answer. You are a technician, comma, aren't you? So you're using the verb are, and this is positive beta, and you're making it negative now. Aren't you? Clear? Then when the sentence is negative, you have to write question tag will be positive. इतना याद रखना है आपको. Okay? So example. अभी यहाँ पर देखो, you are not a technician. Not a technician is negative sentence. तो question tag क्या रहेगा? Positive. So you are not a technician. That is a statement. Okay? So वापस से हम लोग लिखते हैं पूरा sentence. You are not a technician, comma, are you? Question tag. Important question mark डालना है आप. Question mark. Okay? So let's see. You can understand better with more examples. She likes tennis. Doesn't she? Okay. Now you can't put like as the question tag. So doesn't she? That will sound correct. So look at it how it is put. Comma, small d, and she also small s, and question mark. So you have to use a pronoun, children. Which is the pronoun now? Wo use karna. My brother doesn't. My brother didn't listen to pop music. So didn't is negative. The positive question tag aega did, and my you can't write, so you have to write no what is the my brother means what it is. Now which pronoun? He, no, you have to use he. Did he? Then they will go to the birthday party. So which is the pronoun? Pronoun is what? They, he, she. Okay, so your pronoun is they. So what is the verb will? So uska negative kya hua? Won't. So won't they? Question mark. It hasn't rained yet. Hasn't is what? Negative. Yeah, positive. Negative hai. So question tag will be positive. Has it? Because it is, the pronoun is it. Now, here if you see there is, you have to choose the answer. Now this we have already done. Question tags come at the end. So you must know where the question tag comes at the end, not at the beginning. Okay. Beginning, those are called statements, question statement. But this is question tag. It comes at the end. When the statement is affirmative. Affirmative का मतलब क्या हुआ बच्चे? Affirmative means positive. Please remember, affirmative is positive sentence. So when the sentence is positive, question tag क्या होएगा? We use negative tag. Okay. Example पता है ना आपको? यहाँ पर they will go. If it is positive, affirmative, so question tag क्या हुआ? Negative. And when the sentence is negative, now यहाँ पर negative hasn't, no, as not. Hasn't का मतलब as not, okay? So if it is negative, the question tag is affirmative. Then how we put it? Auxiliary verb plus subject personal pronoun. So how you write question tag? These are what auxiliary verbs, okay? These auxiliary verbs and plus subject. Subject personal pronoun. Which are personal pronoun? He, she, he, they, all these are personal pronouns. Okay, this is how it is written. And exceptional cases. Let's sunbathe today. Shall we? Let. Now here there is a suggestion. Whenever there is a command or suggestion, then what we have to put? We have to put positive, children. Remember. Okay, it is positive here. It will be positive here also. Then I'm getting red. Aren't I? This is little different. These are exceptional cases, okay? Then imperative means command. Will, would, could you? Pass me the salt. Will you? देखो यहाँ पर positive है. Question tag भी positive. क्यों? It is a imperative. Imperative means command or request, okay? Negative words, no, never, hardly, nobody, all this, which stands for negative verb, needs a positive tag. Now sometimes these words, sometimes you will think it is not negative, it is negative word. No, never, hardly. So remember these words, okay? Nobody, learn them. He never comes. Abhi ye negative hua never. So question tag will be positive. Does he? There is no reason for leaving now. No reason. Negative. So it is there? Alright. So here now underline the question tag. Children, you do this on your own. Okay, you can look at the sentences. Now you have positive. When it is, these are all positive question tag. Means what? The sentence is negative. The question tag kya hoega? Positive. You want a teacher. You want means you are not a teacher. Are you? Did you get that? Okay, so all these are positive question tag. You can read through it. I don't want to read every sentence. Then negative question tag kya hai? When the statement is positive and question tag is negative. Okay, you are a student, aren't you? Children, when you're writing negative now, please remember, when you write A-R-E-N and it is what? This is what? Comma nahi hai, A apostrophe hai. Okay, a comma comes down. Look at it, this is comma. This is apostrophe. So, N के बाद O नहीं डालते, क्या डालते? Apostrophe and then T and Y-O-U and question mark. Okay, A याद रखना है आपको negative tag में. Okay, punctuations are very important. Then you have this exercise, you have to just match, children. Match the statement. I've given you all earlier, I don't know this. So, a dad works for TAP. Which is the correct one? Come on, doesn't he? Already the answer is there. The others you can do. A mom is a lawyer. Okay, is a lawyer. So, isn't she? Did you get that? Now, I gave you one answer already. The others you can do for practice. Okay, so I hope you've understood this video. Another video also is there. That is video 2, children. Watch that also. In that, I put more exercise for practice. I couldn't put everything in one video, children. So, I request you look into the other video and you will understand more. If you do more practice, you will understand it better. Do all the language studies, children. Everything. Your textual is very, very important. Okay. I want you to be confident. And when will you get confidence? If you practice, if you read all the chapter. I want all of you to do well. I know all of you are clever. Only that you have to put a little effort. Okay. Be focused and God bless you too. Thank you so much.